This quick video is about how to measure distance on Google Maps using iPhone and iPad. Okay, first open Google Maps. Now here search for the place you want to measure. Or just tap and hold the place you want to measure. Just like that. Now you will see this option measure distance. Just tap that. Yeah. Now I want to measure the distance of Washington Park. So I start here and just move like this. You can move and adjust like this. And if you want to change the direction, just tap add point. Now you can easily change the direction. Likewise, you can add points and change measuring direction. Yeah, now you can see the Washington Park distance in miles. It's about 900 meters. And if you want to delete this last added point means, just tap this. Yeah, now it's gone. And to delete all points and want to measure a fresh one means, just click these three dots and clear. That's it. You successfully measured a distance on Google Maps. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.